Hello guys, welcome. Can you all hear my voice clearly? All of you? If you can hear, please comment. So for those that just joined, you can share the link to your friends, guys. Today we will be discussing SPM 2024, the actual paper for addmaths. Okay, soalan sebenar matematik tambahan. Okay, kertas 2 for SPM 2024. Okay, so you guys can share the class to your friend also lah for them to join. Okay, I will start in around 2 minutes time. Okay, 2 minit lagi. So you can call your friend to join also. Okay, for those want to discuss the paper with me. Okay, today we'll be doing paper 2, guys. So I'll discuss all the questions together. So have you guys seen this paper before, all of you? SPM 2024 addmaths? Pernah lihat? Hopefully you guys have already seen this paper lah. Okay. So it's a good chance for you guys to try out also the question. Okay, so that you guys can see where is your level at for your addmaths. Ini penanda yang paling bagus untuk lihat awas kamu. Okay. Hello guys, welcome. Selamat datang. Hello guys, welcome. For those that just joined, continue to share the link, guys, to your friends. Okay, today we are discussing addmaths actual SPM paper. Okay, 2024. Okay, soalan sebenar matematik tambahan 2024 kertas 2. Okay, so boleh kongsi kelas juga pada kawan-kawan yang ambil addmaths. Okay, boleh bincang. Kita akan bincang kertas ni sama-sama. Okay. Yes, matematik tambahan today, guys. Addmaths. Okay. So you can share to your friends who take addmaths. Okay, boleh kongsi kat kawan-kawan. Alright. Hello guys, welcome. Selamat datang. So guys, I think we start first, but sir, I didn't take subject. Oh, if you didn't take, then you cannot join this class lah. Okay, only for those who take addmaths. Okay, so this class only for those who take addmaths, guys, untuk yang ambil matematik tambahan saja. Okay, today we are discussing the SPM 2024 paper for addmaths. Okay, matematik tambahan kertas sebenar. Okay, so if you guys got friends want to discuss together, you can share this link also. Okay, boleh kongsi link ni dengan kawan-kawan. Okay. Hello guys, welcome. Hello, welcome. Okay guys, so I think we start first. Are you all ready to start? Semua sedia untuk mula? If you are ready, please comment. I am blazing speed. I remember you. So guys, comment if you are ready. Just want to check. Semua sedia? Okay, so we start, guys. All right, so let me check first recording. Okay, guys. So we start first. Okay, so this is the first question, guys, for your SPM 2024 addmaths. Okay, so this question, this is section A, guys. Kita mula dengan bahagian A. Okay, so for section A, this is your first question. So guys, if you see the question, may I know what chapter, what form? If you see this question, bab apa, tingkatan berapa? Soalan ni. You guys see got sector BAC, sector COD, and then got circle bulatan. Yeah, okay, confirm yang ni form 5 chapter 1 lah guys. Okay, sukatan membulat. Yes, okay, this one is circular measure. All right, okay, so let's see the question. So the question say that area of sector BAC is 113.4. Okay, luas sektor BAC 113.4. Okay, so maksudnya yang ni lah. Okay, BAC. So BAC. Okay, so this sector, right guys, the total area, jumlah luas dia 113.4. Okay, 113.4 cm square. Alright, this is the total area, jumlah luas. And then they say OA equal to half AC. Okay, OA adalah setengah AC. Alright, so radius. Okay, so you guys can say radius. Okay, BA and AC adalah jejari. So you guys just mark with symbol R lah to show radius. Okay, so guys, if AC is equal to R, OA apa panjang dia? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? What is your length for OA? Let's say AC is R. So means that OA berapa? OA is half AC. So panjang ni berapa? Anyone? You guys kena guna nisbah. OA equal to half AC. So anyone guys? Berapa panjang dia? AC sekarang R. So OA berapa? Anyone? Come on. What is your OA length? Panjang OA, anyone? Yes. Okay, panjang OA, you guys should get half R. Okay, because you guys use the ratio. Okay, guna nisbah ni. Alright, AC sama dengan R, so OA sama dengan setengah R. Alright. Okay, and then apa lagi info? CP equal to 7.74 cm. Okay, so kamu boleh label lah guys. Okay, CP is 7.74 cm. Okay, done. Okay, hello, welcome guys, selamat datang. Okay, so the first question guys, you need to find the length of AC. Okay, kamu kena cari panjang AC dalam centimeters. Okay, so guys, how to find the AC length in centimeters means you have to find the radius. Kamu kena cari nilai R. So, what is the information you all going to use? Kamu guna info apa guys kat sini untuk cari R? Very simple. Any idea? What information? No, not S. See the information here guys. Cuba nampak apa info yang kamu ada. You guys got the area, right? Kamu ada luas. So, you guys can use area formula. Am I right? Kamu boleh guna rumus bagi luas sebab kamu sudah ada sudut. Okay, you have the angle. So, you can use A equal to half R square theta. Half R square theta. Got half, cai sin cai. Okay, there is a half in the formula. Okay, so half R square theta. So, area 113.4. Okay, so 113.4 equal to half R square. Okay, theta, it must be in radian. Okay, sudut kena dalam unit radian, so it's 2.8. Okay, theta equal to 2.8. So you guys boleh kira lah radius kamu berapa. Okay, so your radius is equal to square root 113.4 times 2 over 2.8. Okay guys, so you can press calculator the value. Boleh tekan calculator, you guys should get the answer. Okay, 113.4 times 2 over 2.8 square root answer. Okay, you guys will get 9. Actually, positive negative 9. Okay, positive negative 9. So guys, which one is the answer? Positive or negative 9? Kamu ada dua jawapan kat sini untuk jajari. So, final answer, R sama dengan berapa? Plus 9 or minus 9? Yes. Okay, for radius, always the answer must be positive, guys. Jejari selalunya kena nilai positif. So, R equal to 9. Okay, so done. Kamu sudah dapat jawapan. AC is equal to 9. Okay, because AC is the radius. Okay, AC equal to 9 cm. Alright, guys. Jelas first question. Are you all clear with it? Quite simple lah, guys. Okay, A1 soalan ni mudah. Okay, so this is the answer for A1. Okay, 9 cm. Alright. Okay, so continue. Next one, they ask you to show the theta is 0.611 radian, guys. Okay, so kamu kena tunjuk nilai ni sama dengan 0.611. 0.611 radian. Okay, so radius, we already got the value, guys. Kita boleh gantikan. This one is 9 cm. 9 cm, right? This one also 9 cm. And then, okay, so guys, OA. Apa panjang OA, guys? If you guys check and see now, what do you all think is the length for your OA? Anyone? OA equal to half AC. Yes. Okay, so your OA should get 4.5 lah, half times 9. Okay, so this length over here is 4.5 cm. Okay, 4.5 cm. All right. Okay, so now, okay, so how do we find the angle here, guys? Any idea? Macam mana cari sudut kita? You guys can see it's a right angle triangle. Okay, segitiga sudut tegak. So you guys can see this triangle. Okay, it's a right angle triangle. So what you all can use? Yeah, just use your basic trigo lah, guys. Okay, trigo pun dah cukup. Alright, so you guys going to use sine, cos, or tangent? Yeah, I know. Sin, cos, atau tan. Soalan ni. Yes, very good. Okay, you use sine because you have opposite, you have hypotenuse. Yes, very good. Okay, so sine theta equal to opposite, bertentangan, bahagi hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 9 plus 4.5. Okay. So now you guys can press calculator. Theta. Okay. This theta, right guys, sudut ni dalam darjah atau radian? Boleh saya tahu? The angle over here. Is it degree or radian for this question? Yes, very good. Okay, so if you guys press calculator, you should get 34.98 degrees. Okay, but you must change to radian. Okay, kamu kena tukar kepada unit radian because question want you to show 0.611. So means it's radian. Okay, so tukar kepada radian times pi over 180. Okay, so you press calculator guys, cuba tekan. Okay, pi is 3.142. You must follow the question. 3.142. Okay, so you will get the answer is, yeah, 0.611 radian. Okay guys, jelas macam mana kamu buktikan? Are you all clear with this one? Part 2. So this is A1 and A2. Okay, 0.611 radian. So ini jawapan dia guys. Okay, you can refer the answer here. Okay, any problem so far? Sampai sekarang? Ada apa-apa masalah? All clear? So far, I think the question is still okay, right? Masih boleh kan? I think it's still quite basic. Okay, so continue guys. Anytime you guys got question, just ask in the chat box. Okay, kalau ada soalan terus tanya. Okay, so now the question want you to find perimeter for the whole diagram. That's the question one, forgot plus minus. Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, remember one thing. In addmaths or maths, whenever you guys have square root, ada punca kuasa 2, selalu kamu kena ada dua nilai. Plus minus. Okay, this is logic. Okay, plus minus. Why? Because the logic is, okay, wait, I show you guys here. The logic is, if you take square root 4, the answer is plus minus 2, right? Okay, because 2 square, you can get 4. Negative 2 square, your answer also 4, right guys? So lihat, dua jawapan, dua nilai berlainan, tapi jawapan dia sama kan guys? Two different value but same answer. So that's why your answer must have 2 lah. Okay, kamu kena ada dua jawapan, plus minus 2. Okay, so that's the concept. Alright, so next one, perimeter guys. Okay, so they want you to count perimeter for the whole diagram. Okay, so kamu kena carilah guys berapa panjang. Okay, so over here, OP guys, can anyone tell me what is the OP length for this diagram? Sorry, not OP, OD. Panjang OD dia berapa guys? Soalan ni. What is your length for OD? Anyone? Based on all my label. Yes, okay, 9 plus 4.5. So it's 13.5 also lah guys. Yeah, correct. Okay, you should get 13.5 because it's the radius. Okay, jajari. Alright. So yeah. Okay, so this one is 13.5 cm. Okay, then this one guys. This one over here. How do you find it? Apa rumus yang kamu guna guys untuk cari panjang CD? Now I want to find CD length. So, yeah, okay, this one is an arc, right? Lengkok. Okay, so S equal to R theta. Okay, so S equal R theta. Your theta is 0.611 radian. Your R is 13.5. Okay, so your S, tekan calculator. You guys will get the answer 8.285, 2485 cm. Okay, so this is the length guys for your S. Okay, ini panjang dia 8.2485. Alright. Okay, so now we check and see adakah kita sudah dapat semua panjang. Have we finished get all the length? Okay, not yet. Okay, we still need to find this length. Yang ni guys, yang panjang yang ni. So guys, this one is also arc, right? Masih panjang lengkok kan? So again, S equal to R theta. So your R is 9. Okay, your radius here is 9 for your sector and the angle is 2.8. Okay, 2.8 radian. Okay, so you guys times also. You guys will get 2.8 times 9, 25.2 cm. Okay guys, so now you're ready. You can find the perimeter already. Okay, so perimeter macam mana kira guys? Okay, you guys follow 4.5 plus 25.2, pink color, plus 8.2485 plus 13.5 plus 4.5. That is the perimeter lah guys. Boleh dapat? Can you see it? 4.5 plus 25.2 plus 8.2485 plus 13.5 plus 4.5. Okay, so perimeter is just the outside part lah. Okay, bahagian luaran wajah. Okay, so this is the answer. You guys can see here. Okay, ini jawapan dia. 60.4485 cm. Okay guys, jelas soalan ni? Are you all clear how to do it? Can? I think quite straightforward, right? Sangat senang kan? So you guys just need to find perimeter. That's all. Okay, question 1, are you all okay? Can I have some feedback? Soalan 1 semua boleh? Can No question Okay, continue. Whole answer, can, no problem. This one is the whole answer. Sorry, I cannot zoom in because it's very small. Okay, I did 4SF. 4SF, okay, can. Okay, it means your answer is 60.45 cm, right? Hello, Chan Wei Lun. Spring Star. This is your answer, right? Okay, 4SF for length, can. I think should be no problem because your answer is still the same one. Masih sama, so no problem. Okay, just 0.01 difference only. Okay, so can. Okay, but usually, right, guys, for length, right, we try to give to 4 dp for circular measure. Okay, kita selalunya bagi 4 titik perpuluhan. Faham tak? Our preference is 4 dp, 4 decimal place. Alright? Oh, that's why. Never mind. It's better. At least now more organized. Okay guys, so always length circular measure sukatan membulat 4 titik berbulan kalau boleh. If your answer can reach 4 decimal place, then you write 4 decimal place. If cannot reach 4 dp, then it's okay. Give the max. Okay, maximum 4, minimum 2. Okay, the maximum 2 to 4. Okay, we are talking about dp guys now. Minimum 2, maximum 4 decimal place ataupun tempat perpuluhan. Okay, alright, so next one guys, question number 2. Okay, so for question 2, what chapter guys? May I know? If you all see the question, bab apa? Soalan ni 4SF 2DP. If 4SF then 2DP lah, correct. 2 quadratic, yes, correct. Okay, this one is form 4 chapter 2 guys. Okay, quadratic equations. Okay, fungsi quadratic. Okay, so the question is you need to use completing the square, penyempurnan kuasa 2, cari nilai P. Okay, so this is your function. Okay, so good. Okay, so you guys must know how to do completing the square. Okay, so fx equal to 3x squared plus 3px plus p. Okay guys, what is the first step for completing the square? Apa langkah pertama dia kalau nak buat penyempurnan kuasa 2? Siapa tahu? First step. Always got a few steps that you guys must know. Okay, very good. Factorize the A. Okay, so I factorize 3 out. Okay, kamu faktorkan saja, kamu dapat macam ni. Okay, yes, very good. A equal to 1. Okay, second step guys. Langkah kedua selepas ni. Second step. Kena buat apa guys sekarang? Yes, okay, you plus b over 2 square minus b over 2 square. This is the second step guys. Dapat? The second step is over here. Plus p over 2 square minus p over 2 square. Yes, perkali x, correct. Okay, remember perkali x dia adalah yang ni ya. Okay, p ya. Your coefficient of x is p, not 3p. Okay, you must always refer to your latest equation. Okay, lihat persamaan yang paling baru. Okay, so coefficient perkali dia adalah p, bukan 3p. Alright, just don't make mistake. Alright, so now next step, what you guys do after this? Kena buat apa sekarang? Now you guys can do something over here. What can you do? Anyone? Boleh buat apa sekarang? Oh, okay, okay. I always forget to. Oh, okay. Now you remember the. Yes, very good. Chai sin chai. Yes, correct. Okay, you combine them. X plus p over 2 combine whole thing square. Okay, very good. And then this one you guys tekan calculator lah. Okay, if you press calculator, you should get 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. So you will get 1 over 12. Okay, plus 1 over 12. Hey, sorry. This one is p square, right? Okay, cannot combine. Okay, just leave it like that. Plus p over 3 minus p square over 4. Tinggalkan macam ni lah. Okay, no problem. Alright. Okay, and then you guys expand inside. Kembangkan. Masuk dalam. So 3x plus p over 2 square plus p minus 3 over 4p square. Not p square over 4. Yeah, correct. Chan Wei Lun, got negative in front. Can you see? Negative p square over 4. Nampak? I just follow only. Okay, follow only guys. Ikut saja. Alright. Okay, so now this is your vertex form guys. Bentuk ni kita panggil dia bentuk vertex. Alright, why vertex form? Because it follow this format. Ax minus h square plus k. Correct? Okay, so now the question tell you find the values of p. Cari nilai-nilai p. Okay, minimum value negative 1. Okay, so guys, can you all tell me the minimum value over here is which one? Mana ungkapan dia sama dengan negatif 1? Nilai minimum. Now you must understand vertex form. Yes, very good. Okay, so your k value is the minimum value. Very good, guys. Okay, nilai k. So means that nilai ni lah, guys. Okay, so p minus 3 over 4 p square. Setuju? So now you guys have a quadratic equation. Kamu kena selesaikan lah. Okay, just solve your quadratic equation. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so minus 1. Okay, minus 1 equals 0. And then I times 4 kali 4. 3p square minus 4p minus 4 equals 0. Kamu faktorkan guys, just factorize. So you have 3p, p, 2, 2, negative, positive. Okay, so jawapan dia p equal negative 2 over 3 or p equal to 2. Okay, so ini jawapan dia guys. Faham? Do you all get the process guys? How I solve the question? Jelas? So this is how you solve it. Okay, sometimes you see I do very fast like guys. Kamu nampak saya selesaikan sangat cepat kan? It's okay. As long you guys boleh dapat langkah sama macam saya tak apa. Okay, because now I try to speed up a bit lah the working step. Okay, langkah kerja yang algebra saya buat pantas. Okay, so harap kamu faham lah. Okay, this is just algebra only. Okay, minimum value negative 1 question. Yes, question given. There, over here. This one. Chan Wei Lun. Okay, can I get a screenshot? You can screenshot this one. It's much more clearer. You take picture of the answer scheme, guys. PDF of the paper. This one I think you can find from the book. If you guys got buy the actual SPM book, you can have the PDF. You can scan the QR code and then get it. The soalan sebenar SPM Mathematik Tambahan 2021 until 2024. Okay. Okay, y times 4, Batul. Y times 4, wait, times 4. Oh, because I want to solve quadratic equation. Okay, usually, right, guys, when you solve quadratic equation, we don't like fraction. Kita tak suka pecahan. So, macam mana hapuskan pecahan tu? Kali 4 lah. Okay, we want to get rid of this number 4. So, that's why I times 4. Understand? Saya nak hapuskan pecahan. Tak mau pecahan. Hanya nombor bulat. Okay? Yes, can. This is the question. This one. Okay. Okay, so I show the answer, guys, for the part A. Okay, this one is the second part for the answer. So your final answer is negative 2 over 3 and also 2. Okay, this is the final answer. Got two answers, guys. Dua jawapan. Two values. All right. Okay, guys, continue. Pergi lagi. Okay, so now question B. They want you to sketch the graph. Kamu kena laka graph guna nilai P yang paling besar. Okay, use the largest value of P from A. Okay, so what is the largest value here, guys? May I know? Apa nilai yang paling besar antara dua ni? Negative 2 over 3 or 2? Which one? Sekarang kamu kena pilih. Yes. Okay, so you guys must choose P equal to 2 lah because the largest. Alright, paling besar. So you guys kena gantikan. Okay, substitute P equal to 2 inside your equation. H and K is X and Y of the turning point for vertex form. Yes, correct. Correct. Yes, it's also the turning point because it's the maximum or minimum point. Yeah, correct. Alright. Okay, so gantikan X sama dengan, P sama dengan 2. So if you guys substitute P equal to 2, you guys will get this. So your equation is 3x squared plus 6x plus 2. Okay, so you guys need to sketch this one. Kamu kena laka graph ni. Answer space provided is so small. Yeah. You need sometimes extra sheet, guys. Kamu kena ada helaian tambahan untuk buat. Okay, kadang-kadang jangan kira sangat panjang. Okay, alright. So guys, if you got this kind of graph, is your graph smile or cry? May I know? Bentuk graf kamu senyum atau masam? Kalau macam ni, 3x square plus 6x. Yes, correct. Okay, because a greater than 0, so smile lah. Okay, and then what is the y-intercept, guys? May I know? Pintasan y? Yes, very good. Okay, c equal to 2. Okay, and then what is your axis of symmetry? Apa paksi simetri? Soalan ni. Axis of symmetry. How much? Anyone? No. Wait. Yes, correct. -1. That's negative, right? Yeah, -1. Okay, yeah, correct. Okay, so the axis of symmetry is -1, guys. Okay, if you use the formula x equal -b per 2a, okay, -6/2 times 3, your x is -1. So you guys boleh cari nilai y kan? Okay, x equal -1, kamu gantikan dalam persamaan 3 -1 square plus 6 -1 plus 2. Okay, so now you can get the value. Okay, so nilai dia adalah -1. Okay, also -1. Test question left side and answer right side, or they make it at the next page. Usually it's up and down, guys. Atas bawah. Atas soalan, bawah jawapan. Faham tak? On top is the question, bottom is the answer. Okay? Usually the format is like that. Okay? Usually we don't do left and right lah. Okay? So usually the question is like that. Sometimes different year it will change lah, guys. Kalau tahun dia berlainan, mungkin dia ubah format dia. Kita tak tahu. Okay? Because my trial always I need to flip. Oh, okay. Yeah, sometimes it will be like that. Depends how long is your working, Chan Wei Lun. Dia bergantung berapa panjang jalan kira kamu untuk soalan. Faham tak? So it just depends. Okay. Alright, so the point here is -1, -1 guys. X is -1, Y is -1. So this is okay, this point is minimum or maximum, guys? May I know? -1, -1. Minimum or maximum? Berdasarkan graf kamu. Yeah, okay, because it's a smiling graph, so it is minimum. Okay, sebab dia senyum. Alright, so you guys got coordinate, you guys got y-intercept, you guys got the shape. Okay, what other info, guys, we need to have? Apa lagi kita kena ada untuk lukis graf ni? Yes, very good. Don't forget your roots, guys. Okay, kamu kena cari punca kamu. So 3x square plus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Factorize. Okay, so if you guys factorize x to 1. Okay, so I think this equation cannot factorize, right? Tak boleh faktorkan, Sat. Tak boleh. Okay, you guys must use quadratic formula. Okay, kamu kena guna rumus kuadratik. So x is -b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Kamu guna rumus kuadratik lah, guys. Okay, and then tekan calculator. You guys akan dapat -0.423 or x equal to -1.577. Okay, so these are your roots, guys. Ini dua punca kamu. Alright, so now kamu boleh plot dah graph tu. Okay, so this is your graph. Okay, guys, dapat? All of you clear how to draw this graph? If better, you guys boleh label dua nilai ni juga. Okay, boleh label punca kamu. Okay, -0.423 and -1.577. So that is more accurate. You guys can label. But if you never label, also no problem. Let's say kamu lupa untuk label punca, tak apa. Okay, you still get full mark. Okay, all of you understand how to draw this graph? Can I have some response? Semua jelas lukis graph ni? Can all of you clear? No problem. Boleh. Okay, easy Wow, easy. Can I see the working again? Okay, so this is the working part B. This one is more clear. Okay, Silika? Done? Okay, so continue guys. Next question. Okay, question number 3 tadi. Soalan ketiga. Okay, so this one what chapter, guys? May I know? Soalan ni berapa? This one quite easy to see. Yeah, this one is your indices, Form 4, Chapter 4, Index, Surd, and Logarithma. Alright, okay, so the question is, you guys need to show, buktikan. Okay, show that PQX equal to Q over P square. All right. Okay, so this one you guys need to think and see lah how you guys going to show this. Okay, of course kamu kena guna info ni guys. Okay, use the information given Px minus 2 times Qx plus 2 equal to PQ2x. Okay, so now kamu kena tunjukkan PQX equal to Q over P square. Potong dia. Which one? Potong yang mana? You mean this one? Potong this one? Actually proving right guys, there are many methods to do. Kalau soalan tunjukkan ni ada banyak cara. Okay, so it really depends on you guys how you guys think and see. Okay, ada banyak cara sebenarnya. Alright. Okay, so if you see the rules over here, okay, you can see the answer. Actually, you guys boleh buat macam ni lah. Okay, lebih senang. Okay, so what you can do is Px minus 2, I can write it as P power X over P square. Setuju guys? Saya boleh tulis macam ni. Okay, because kuasa tolak kan power minus means you divide, bahagi. Okay, so I just modify my left hand side. Saya modify yang belah kiri saja. Belah kanan semua sama. Okay, maintain right hand side, modify left hand side. Okay, so you modify Q power X plus 2. Okay, again indices rule, you can make it become times. Darab saja. Okay, so I modify a D and then macam ni and then simplify. Okay, so you see P power X, Q power X. Okay, so this is another rule lah guys. P power X times Q power X. Kalau kuasa dia sama, same power, you can combine. Jadi macam ni. Okay, PQ seluruh kuasa X. Okay, the whole thing is power X. Alright, and then Q square over P square. Alright, and then kamu boleh dapat Q over P square. Square and square you guys can take out. Bawah kuasa 2 luar. So dapat macam ni. And then you will actually get like this. You can already prove the answer. Okay, sudah buktikan. Senang guys? Can you get the concept? So basically kamu modify bahagian kiri saja. Itu saja. Just keep on modify the left hand side and then you can see the answer already. Boleh nampak. Alright. So any problem guys? This question? Are you clear? Jelas? Quite straightforward lah. Okay, I don't think it's so difficult. Alright. Can all of you? No question? Good Okay, so next one. Okay, so part B. Part B is cert. Okay, this one is cert guys. Form 4 chapter 4 cert. So you need to express in P plus Q cert 7. Kamu kena ungkapkan dalam bentuk ni. Okay, so first step guys. If you want to express, what should you do for this one? Yes, very good. Okay, what you should do is rationalize it. Okay, so you can do like this. K over 4 minus cert 7 plus 28. Okay. Yeah, cert 28. Okay, so you can do like this guys. Bagi penyebut dia sama. Okay, make it same denominator and then you write like this. 4 minus cert 7. Okay. So I just combine them become one fraction lah guys. Okay, saya just gabungkan dia. Alright. So macam ni, expand cert 1, 5, 6, 6, 3. 28 times 7. Salah guys. 28 times 7, 196. Okay. So like this. And then over 4 minus cert 7. So now, you guys can rationalize lah. Okay, kamu boleh rasionalkan penyebut pecahan. Okay, so this one actually wait 28 cert 28 cert 7. Okay, cert 196 you guys can simplify. Kamu boleh permudahkan yang ni. So you guys will get, let me check Okay, so you guys can simplify this become 7 cert 4. Okay, cert 196 right guys is actually cert 49 cert 4. You guys boleh tekan calculator. Okay, so it's actually 7 cert 4. Okay, so I tukar yang ni jadi 7 cert 4. Simplest form. Okay, cert 4 is actually 2 right guys. Yang ni 2 kan. Okay, so it's actually 7 times 2. Okay, and then for cert 28. For cert 28 is also I can simplify. Okay, cert 28 is cert 7 times cert 4. Okay, so it's 2 cert 7. 2 cert 7. plus 2 third 7. Alright, so I just make it become simpler lah guys. Saya bagi dia nampak lebih mudah saja. Alright, wait 4 third 28. 4 third 28 third 2. Wait. Sorry guys, it's 4 third 28, right? So I need to simplify some more. Okay, 4 third 28 is 4 third 7 third 4. Okay, so it's actually 8 third 7. Sorry this one is 8. Okay, 8 third 7. Alright, plus 8 third 7. Okay guys, until now, can you guys get what I'm doing? Sampai sekarang boleh? I'm just playing with the third only. Saya main dengan third saja. Okay, this one is minus 14. 7 times 2, 14. Okay, now I can rationalize. Okay, so how to rationalize, guys? You guys just need to times the conjugate. Okay, so what is the conjugate here? All of you. Apa third conjugate dia? Soalan ni? Anyone? What's your conjugate third over here? Yes, okay, 4 plus third 7. Okay, so you just do like this and then you expand. Kembangkan. Okay, kembangkan atas dan bawah. So 4K plus K third 7 plus 32 third 7 minus 56 minus 56. Wait, no place already. I must write here some more. Just be careful lah guys when you do expansion. Kamu kena buat hati-hati saja. Okay, third 7 plus 32 third 7 and then plus 56. Oh yeah, it's plus 56. Sorry, tadi saya buat silap. Okay, minus 56 and then minus 14 third 7. Okay, so simplify already. Okay, and then bottom also kamu kena kembangkan 16 minus 7. Okay, so far faham guys macam mana saya kembangkan? All of you can get it? Sin Chai Long. Who is Sin Chai Long? Okay, so 16 minus 7 guys. Okay, so now you guys simplify plus 56 minus 56 potong. Okay, and then 32 third 7 minus 14 third 7. So 18 third 7. Okay, so 4K plus K third 7 minus 18, plus 18 third 7. Okay, I just simplify only guys. Permudahkan saja. This one 9. Okay, so okay, so 4K plus K plus 18 third 7 over 9. Okay, so you guys can compare with the answer. Cuba bandingkan P plus Q third 7. Okay, so kamu kena dapat jawapan macam ni. P plus Q third 7. Can you guys see the format? Cuba nampak guys, adakah kita dapat format dia? Yeah, okay, we already get the format. Can you see guys? Are you all clear how to solve it? So your answer is in term of K Jawapan dalam sebutan K tak ada masalah guys. Okay. Use how to read this name? Yeah, correct. Still correct your answer. Yeah, can. Okay, so this is the answer guys. You guys can see here. So P is 4K over 9 and Q is 18 plus K over 9. Alright. Dapat guys? Konsep dia? Are you all clear? My teacher gave me 100%. Oh, 100% same paper. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. That's why I say guys, doing the SPM actual paper is very important. Kamu memang kena buat soalan SPM sebenar. Sangat penting. Okay. Can guys? Jelas? Boleh Move on. Okay, so next one. Question number 4. Okay, so question 4. What chapter is this guys? May I know? Berapa soalan ni? You guys check also, you know lah. Yeah, this one is form 4 chapter 8, your vectors. Okay, so vector. Okay, so the question, okay, whenever you see vector question, right guys, first step, always I tell people who join my class, when you see vector question, first step, don't read the question. Jangan baca soalan. Yes, you must label. Okay, always label first. Okay, so CB equals 6U. So you label 6U. And then CA equal 5E. You label CA is 5E. And then, okay, dia bagi nisbah. AR equal to 2 over 5 AB. Okay, so what is the meaning of this guys? Apa maksud dia? AR is 2 over 5 AB. So can anyone tell me, what is your ratio guys? AR to AB. Apa nisbah dia? Can anyone tell me? No, bukan. Yes. Okay, the answer is 2 to 5, guys. Okay, 2 kepada 5. Okay, so means that AR, it takes 2 parts, 2 bahagian. And AB, the total here, it takes 5 parts, 5 bahagian. Okay, so RB, how many parts it takes, guys? Berapa bahagian? Yeah, 3 lah. Okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so you guys already analyze everything. Okay, so now you can see the question. AB, kamu kena cari nilai AB. So very simple, guys. AB, combination of vector only. AB is equal to AC plus CB. Sangat senang. Okay, AC plus CB. Okay, so AC is equal to negative 5V plus CB 6U. Done. Okay, kamu sudah dapat jawapan. Okay, so this is for AB. So yeah. Okay, and then question asks you CR. So okay, when you guys get answer, right, always remember label your answer. Bila sudah dapat, terus label. Okay, so AB is equal to negative 5V plus 6U. So you label siap-siap. Alright. Okay, why not AR plus RB? AR plus RB. Okay, because you don't have information. Kasih, Helena. Kamu ada info tak? AR sama dengan berapa, RB sama dengan berapa? Vektor dia. Tak ada kan? So guys, always remember choose the part where you got information. Kamu kena pilih laluan yang ada info. Jangan pilih laluan yang tak ada info. Walaupun betul. Okay? Sebab kamu tak boleh buat soalan kalau tak ada info. Okay? So this is the concept. Okay, so CR guys. Macam mana cari CR? Okay, so CR maybe CA plus AR or CB plus BR. Kamu pilih lah guys. Okay, because you guys already got the ratio. So you guys can find AR, right? Okay, AR is actually 2 parts, 2 bahagian. Okay, so AR is 2 over 5 AB. Kamu ada AB kan? So it's 2 over 5 negative 5V plus 6U. So you guys can get the answer negative 2V plus 12 over 5U. So this is your AR, negative 2V, negative 2V plus 12 over 5U. Okay. Alright, so now you guys boleh cari CR kan? Okay, so CR is just CA plus AR. Okay, so CR is CA. CA is 5V plus negative 2V plus 12 over 5U. Okay, so jawapan akhir, this is the final answer. Okay, you will get 3V plus 12 over 5U. Okay, complex than this. Okay, guys, you must understand one thing. Trial question and SPM question, they are different standard. Standard dia berbeza, so kamu tak boleh bandingkan. Okay, alright. So can so this is the answer for A2. Okay, any problem guys so far? Sampai sekarang boleh faham all of you? Can understand? Semua orang boleh ya? Okay, so continue. Okay, so for part B question asks you to find magnitude of CR. When you guys see modular symbol, always you guys must find magnitude. Okay, so U equal to 5I, V equal to I plus 4J. Okay, so CR jawapan dia apa? 3V plus 12 over 5U. Okay, so 3V plus 12 over 5U. Okay, so you guys kena gantikan info lah. Okay, your V is I plus 4J and then your U is 5I. So just gantikan saja. Okay, and then you guys simplify, permudahkan. So you will get negative, 3I plus 12J plus 12I. Okay, so the answer is 15I plus 12J. Okay, but this is not magnitude, guys. So how to find magnitude? Anyone here? Macam mana cari magnitude soalan ni? Yes. Okay, just use Pythagoras theorem. So square root 15 square plus 12 square. Okay, so ini jawapan dia. Okay, press calculator. You can get the answer. Okay, so the answer is square root 369. Okay, guys. Always check whether you can simplify or not. Kamu kena periksa boleh permudahkan atau tidak. Okay, so over here, actually, you guys can simplify. It is cert 9, cert 41. Okay, so it's 3 cert 41. Always simplify kalau boleh. Okay. I just practice by listen to Bowen's class. Wah, Listening exam, you practice listen to my voice. Okay. Maybe it help also. Okay, so this is the answer guys. Ini jawapan dia. Soalan B1. Okay, 3 cert 41. Don't give cert 369 guys. I know this one is correct. Yang ni juga betul, tapi yang ni bentuk termudah. Always remember addmaths simplest form. I take decimal, decimal can, but cert form always is more accurate. Understand lah? Selalu kita suka bentuk cert guys sebab dia lebih tepat berbanding perpuluhan. Okay? How to mute the comment? Why you want to mute the comment, Julia? This one is for discussion, you know, so that people can answer my question. So I won't mute lah, so that people can always, oh yeah, maybe you guys too noisy. Makes sense also. So guys, don't talk weird things. Make sure you guys talk on addmaths only. How to get cert 9 and cert 41? Because 369 is 9 times 41. Understand? Silica. 369 is 9 times 41. So cert 369 is cert 9 times 41. Understand? Oh, okay. Never mind. I pin my face already, right? For all of you. Am I right? Saya sudah pin muka saya kan. So you guys can just focus on that lah. Very big, right? Just focus on my face. Okay? Alright, so now guys, the next part, they ask you to find the shortest distance from A to CR. Kamu kena cari jarak terdekat dari titik A ke, okay, this is a good question. Titik A kepada garis lurus CR. Okay, lagging the rest, I think you only lagging, right? Semua smooth kan, lancar. Okay, so guys, shortest distance, right? You guys must understand one thing. Okay, CPQ luas dia 40 over 3 unit square. Okay, so you guys can label this one is 40 over 3 unit square. Okay, and then focusing on movement. Okay, CQ to QR 1 to 2. Okay, CQ to QR 1 to 2. All right. Okay, so guys, shortest distance from A to CR. Okay, so you guys need to find and see. Shortest distance means what? All of you. Apa maksudnya jarak terpendek? Kamu kena faham yang tu dulu. Yes. Okay, basically it means perpendicular lah guys. Okay, so basically you must draw it from A to CR, the shortest distance. So something like this lah. Okay, macam ni. Alright. Just try to find the shortest distance, which is your height. Okay. So they tell you the area is 40 over 3 units square for CPQ. Okay, 40 over 3 units square. So guys, if you check over here, you need to find the area for this. Okay, kamu kena cari luas satu lagi juga. Okay, so how to find is actually based on the ratio. Okay, kamu boleh guna nisbah dia. Alright. Okay, so area of CAR is equal to 3 cert CPQ. Alright, it's 3 luas segi 3 CPQ. Okay, it's 3 times. Okay, so why 3 times guys? Kenapa 3 kali? Okay, you guys must check here and see. CAR CPQ. Okay, so for CAR CPQ, okay, so why 3? Because the ratio here guys. Can you see the ratio? Coba nampak nisbah dia. 1 tambah 2, 3 kali kan? 3 times. Because CPQ and CAR. CAR is the total. So we need to take the total ratio. Jumlah nisbah. Yes. Okay, the total thing is 40 because times 3. 40 over 3 times 3 kali 3. Alright. So now you guys know the total area is 40 already. Okay, 40 units square. Your total area. Alright. So now you guys just need to use the formula half times base times height. Okay, setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Tapi kamu kena cari tapak. Okay, so tapak is CR, right? Okay, CR is your base. And CR vector kamu sudah dapatkan. Okay, CR, the magnitude. Magnitude of CR is 3 cert 41 kan? So you guys boleh guna nilai ni lah. Okay, just use the value 3 cert 41 and then your shortest distance, you just assume it is X. Anggap jarak terpendek to X and you guys solve for X. Okay, so you guys solve for X, your answer is 4.1646 unit. Okay, dapat guys konsep dia? Can you all understand the concept for this question? I think it's okay, right? Boleh faham kan? I just copied my friend. Oh, okay. Now you understand, right? Okay. Boleh ya guys? So habis soalan 4. Okay, so next one. Question number 5. Soalan 5. Okay, so question 5 is about what topic guys? May I know? Topik apa soalan ni? Oh, okay. No. This one is not differentiation. See carefully, guys. They ask you find equation of curve, persamaan lengkung. Actually, this one is chapter 3, pengamilan. Okay, integration. But the second part, okay, bahagian B actually is differentiation. So actually it combine one, guys. Dia gabung dua topik. Okay, first one is integration, second differentiation. Okay, so dia gabung. Pengamilan, pembezaan. Alright. Okay, so dy dx is 4x minus 6. Okay, so you guys want to find equation of curve, right? Yes, so kamu kena kamikan lah. Okay, just kamikan persamaan ni. Okay, so you guys will get 2x square minus 6x plus c. Okay, must plus c, guys, because no, only certain days. Okay, plus c because it is indefinite integral. Okay, kamiran tak tentu, so kena tambah c. Alright. Okay, and then they say it pass through this point. Dia melalui titik 1, 4. Okay, so x equal to 1, y equal to 4. So you guys gantikan, cari nilai c. C equal to 8. And then tulis balik persamaan kamu. Okay, 2x square minus 6x plus 8. Okay, understand guys? Part A? Straightforward kan? Part A. Very straightforward. Okay, shouldn't be any problem. Part A. Okay, and then part B, why? What do you mean, Chai Sin Chai? You asking me why, or you asking your friend why? Don't scare me, Don't ask me why, Okay, this is the step, guys. Langkah dia. Alright. Oh, okay. Lucky. Okay, so next one, part B. So for part B, guys, they say the normal to the curve intersect the curve again. Okay, so you guys need to find the normal. Okay, so dy dx mewakili apa, guys? What is representing dy dx? Okay, kecerunan apa? Gradient of what? Yes, okay, your m of tangent. Okay, no. Tangent. Okay, kecerunan tangent. Remember. Okay, gradient of tangent always is dy dx, or you can say gradient of function also can. Okay, so your gradient here is 4x minus 6, right? Based on the question. Okay. So now they are talking about at point P, pada titik P. So maksudnya kamu boleh ganti x sama dengan 1 kan? Because x coordinate is 1. Okay, so you get negative 2 for m tangent. So guys, if m tangent negative 2, m normal berapa? Now you guys got this information. So, yes, okay, half lah. Okay, m normal equal to half. And you guys must form the equation for normal. Okay, bentukan persamaan normal. So, y minus y1 equal to mn x minus x1. Okay, coordinate apa guys? Kamu akan ganti kat sini. You guys sub which one? Yeah, confirm sub P lah guys. Okay, substitute x equal 1, y equal 4. So y minus 4 equal to half x minus 1. Okay, so y minus 4 equal to half x minus 2. Sorry, minus half. And then y equal to half x plus 4 minus half. So you will get 7 over 2. Okay. So this is the equation guys, and then they say it intersect the curve. Okay, dia silang titik, silang lengkung. Okay, so maksudnya kamu kena samakan dengan persamaan lengkung lah guys. Okay, so that you guys can find the intersection point. You guys just equalize. So 2x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to half x plus 7 over 2. So you guys must solve quadratic equation. Selesaikan saja. Okay. So you guys can see here, you solve the quadratic equation. So you guys akan dapat two values, x is 9 over 4 or x equal 1. Okay, but you guys must ignore x equal 1, abaikan dia. Kenapa? Because you already got coordinate P. Okay, coordinate P sudah satu kan, nilai x dia. Okay, the x value is 1 for P. So, abaikan. Okay, because you only need one answer, satu jawapan. Okay, so yang ni jangan buat. You guys substitute back. X equal 9 over 4 inside your equation, ganti balik. So, kamu akan dapat jawapan dia. Okay, y equal 37 over 8. So, coordinate Q is 9 over 4, 37 over 8. Okay, boleh dapat guys konsep dia? Can? Can lah guys? Boleh. So, you guys just make sure solve this carefully lah. Selesaikan kuadratik ni hati-hati. Itu saja. Okay, then you guys akan dapat jawapan. Alright, so next question guys. Question number 6. Soalan ke-6. Okay, so question 6 is on one coordinate. Okay, because they say that it intersect actually at 2 points. Okay, it will intersect at point P. It will also intersect at point Q. Dia silang 2 titik guys. So jawapan dia akan dapat 2 lah. So jangan pilih jawapan yang sudah ada P lah. You guys don't choose the answer for coordinate P, but you choose the answer for coordinate Q. Okay, so that's why you guys, how you know dy dx is m tangent? Guys, that is the concept. Understand? Dy dx is to show gradient. Okay, dia tunjuk kecerunan. So kecerunan apa? Kecerunan tangent lah, sebab kamu ada lengkung, kamu ada tangent. Macam mana kamu cari kecerunan titik ni? Dy dx lah. Am I right, guys? So you guys must find the value of dy dx. Example 5. So you guys know the gradient at this point. Kecerunan titik ni adalah 5. Okay. So you kena guna dy dx. Tak boleh guna simbol lain. Okay. Yx equal to 1. Ignore. Because 1 is P. Understand tak guys? Kita tolak 1 sebab P tu 1, 4 dah. Faham tak? So nilai X sudah 1. Okay. Kamu tak boleh tulis jawapan dia 2 kali kan guys. You cannot write 2 times. So you guys kena pilih 1 lagi nilai. Okay. Y1 is P. Y1 is P. This is the question. Julia, this one is the question. Question give you this info. Question give. Understand? Question give this info. Okay. Try drawing the intersection. Try drawing the intersection. Wait. Try drawing the intersection. Okay. Very simple, guys. Okay. So you got a curve, right? Imagine you got a curve. You got a straight line. Okay. So this one is coordinate P. This one is coordinate Q. This is what the question is talking, guys. Understand? Ini konsep dia sekarang, soalan ni. So question already tell you P is 1, 4. So kamu kena cari untuk Q lah. Satu lagi coordinate, nilai X dan Y. Faham tak? You must find another values for X and Y. So you guys kena tolak yang satu lah because sudah dapat dah. Okay, so you guys accept 9/4. Which one is normal line? This one. This one is normal line. This one is tangent. Faham tak? Like this. Okay. Understand, Haikal? Wait. Chan Wei Lun, can you listen now? Just want to check. Is it okay? Oh, okay. You need me to repeat again? Or you okay, Eddie? Oh, need to repeat. Okay, which one? Part B, Part A or Part B? Which one? A or B? Or yx equal to 1, ignore. Because P, Chan Wei Lun, because the coordinate P is 1, 4. So we will ignore X already equal to 1 because we already have the answer here. Now they ask you to find coordinate Q. So coordinate Q impossible, the X value is also 1. Am I right? X value cannot be 1 for coordinate Q also. So you must take the other value. Understand? You must take the another value of X. Quite a lot of new people. Yeah, correct. Okay. Continue, guys. Sambung. Okay, so next one, question 6. Okay, so question 6, normally distributed. Okay, tabuhan normal, guys. Okay, so this one is form 5, chapter 5, normal distribution. But they intersect, Yeah, intersect lah. Can you see here? Chan Wei Lun. Coordinate P 1, 4. Now the question want you to find this coordinate. Understand? So they want you to find X and Y. Okay? Where's Kevin? Maybe extra class or tuition lah. Okay, Chan Wei Lun, no problem. Can. Okay, continue. Okay, so for question 6, they say that 44% of the workers are categorized as underweight or normal weight. 12% is obese. Okay, so 44% is over here. Kurang berat ataupun berat normal. Okay, so this one is 44%, guys. And then 12% is obese. So 12% is over here, obese. Okay. So the question is find the value of n. Kamu kena cari nilai n. Okay, 1 out of n workers are in underweight. Okay, 1 over n. 1 out of n is underweight. Okay, so yeah. Okay, any other info? Tada. Okay, so now you guys need to think and see how to what fake data. Don't care lah. Only 12. What do you mean only 12? 12%. Oh, it's percent, Razik, not 12 people percent. Means if you have 100 people, 12 people are obese. Understand ah? Kalau saya pilih 100 orang secara lawak di Malaysia, 12 orang didapati obese. Itu konsep dia, 12%. Okay? Okay, so continue Okay, so how to do guys? Basically, you guys must use the table lah. Okay, so probability over here, probability X less than 25, lebih kurang daripada 25 is equal to 44%. Okay, equal to 0.44. Okay, so you guys don't know the mean, don't know the standard deviation, right? Soalan tak bagikan mean dan CCM PY. So kamu kena cari. Okay, so you guys need to use the information. Okay, so 0.44, if you guys refer table, kamu kena rujuk jadual lah guys. Okay, the value is actually negative 0.151. Okay, this time I didn't bring the table here, so hopefully you guys can understand lah. Okay, this one just read table only, baca jadual. Alright, just baca 0.44 in the diagram, you will have 0.151. Okay, why negative guys? Kenapa ada simbol negative? Because remember, inequality symbol kalau nak baca jadual selalunya kena ke arah kanan. Okay, whenever you guys reading table for normal distribution, your inequality symbol must be to the right. Okay, kena ke arah kanan. Okay, so that's why you have the negative over here. Okay, so when you guys convert to the z-score, the negative kamu akan shift ke sini. So negative 0.151. Okay, nilai dalam jadual hanya 0.151. Tapi bila pindah negatif, dia jadi negatif 0.151. Okay, so just remember must shift the negative guys. Okay, is it referring to the graph? No, we are referring table guys. Jadwal, tabuhan normal. You guys must refer table. Okay, read this value 0.44 is probability and then this one is Z score. Okay, kamu tukar kebarangkalian kepada score Z. Alright, so kebarangkalian semua nilai di dalam, di tengah jadual. Score Z kat sempadan. Okay, at the border of the table is your Z score. Okay, so you should get negative 0.151 and then cross multiply, you guys will get this answer. Okay, ini persamaan dia lah. Okay, your equation. Alright, why negative? Okay, negative because your symbol must point to the right. Remember guys, when you are reading your table, simbol ketaksaman kamu kena selalu ke kanan, baru boleh baca. Faham tak? Tak boleh ke kiri. Kalau ke kiri, kamu tak boleh guna jadual punya. Okay, jadual ada dua syarat. Satu, simbol ketaksaman kena ke arah kanan. So, kat sini soalan dia ke arah kiri kan? So, kamu kena tukar ke arah kanan. So, macam mana tukar? Kalau tukar, kamu kena tambah negatif selalunya. If you change the symbol, automatic, you must add negative. Yes, Michael, correct. Michael is mean lah. Alright. So remember guys, this is the first rule and the second rule, your probability must be less than 0.5. Then only you can read the table. Okay, kebarangkalian dia kena kurang dari 0.5. Alright. So dua syarat saja. Lebih besar simbol dia untuk score Z dan kebarangkalian kurang dari 0.5. Okay. How to spelling? Which one spelling? Spelling what? What do you mean? ABC. Okay, never mind. Okay, so this is your first equation guys. Persamaan pertama. MEAN. English is MEAN. Mean. Okay. Alright, and then the next information guys. Okay, info yang kedua. You guys can see over here. Okay, the second information is if it's greater than 30, the probability is 12%, right? Okay, 12%. Alright, so again, you guys must convert X score kepada Z score. Okay, tukar score X kepada score Z. Alright, so 12% is 0.12. Okay, and then baca jadual sekali lagi 0.12. If you guys read table, your answer is 1.175. Okay, and then kamu akan dapat persamaan ni. So guys, you can check over here. Now you guys got two equation, right? Dua persamaan. So simultaneous lah, persamaan serentak, kamu cari nilai mean dan sisian piawai. Okay, just solve simultaneous equation to find your two values. Okay, so if you solve simultaneous, your standard deviation, sisian piawai, nilai dia yang ni, and your mean is this one. Okay, simultaneous saja, very basic. Okay, and then finally, okay, now the 1 over n guys, kamu nak cari nilai n kan? Okay, so nilai n is for probability x less than 18.5. Wait, don't understand the first equation. Wait, first equation, this one. What you don't understand? Haikal, can you be more specific? Which part you don't understand? Oh, okay, okay. Yes, if you guys cannot imagine, you can draw graph also like this. Boleh lukis graph macam ni, tak ada masalah. Why use less than 25? The question is less than 25. Haikal, can you see here? Less than 25? This one? Because your probability is 44%. 44% is for the underweight and also normal weight. Kurang berat dan berat normal jumlah kebarangkalian. Oh, it include everything lah guys. If you less than 25, it also include 18.5. Understand? From 0 until 25, if X less than 25. Faham tak? So dia sudah termasuk semua. Everything include already. Okay? So macam tu lah. Okay? And you guys must really know the concepts in this chapter. Okay? Alright. So now you guys must find the value of n. Okay, so 1 over n is actually the probability kebarangkalian, because question say 1 out of n, this one is what? I also forget already. Less than 18.5 is underweight, right? Kurang berat. Okay, 1 over n people are underweight. Okay, kurang berat. Okay, so 1 over n is actually your probability, guys, kebarangkalian. So again, same concept. You must convert the x score to z score. Okay, tukar score x kepada score z. And then you guys kena baca jadual. Okay, again, you guys must read the table. Okay, so probability z less than negative 1.875, you guys must change the symbol. Okay, remember guys, kamu kena tukar simbol lah. So tukar symbol, automatic negative become positive. Okay, this is the concept. When you switch the symbol, negative will change to positive. Okay, so greater than 1.875. So this one, you guys kena baca jadual. Okay, if you read the table, your answer is 0.0303. Okay, ini nilai dia, and then you guys can find the n. Okay, so nilai n is 33. Okay guys, understand how to do this question? Jelas? Dia panjang sikit lah, it's a bit long, but the concept is you just need to form two equation, solve simultaneous, and then kamu jawab soalan. Actually 3 concept only. Okay, they just make it long lah, dia bagi dia panjang saja, tapi senang. Okay, it's not that difficult one. Alright, can guys? Faham? All of you understand? Can I have some feedback? Are you clear with the question? Guys, can be serious a bit or not? Serious sikit lah guys. Not clear? Which part not clear? Swing star. Which part? Bahagian mana tak jelas? Kamu kena bagi tahu saya. Which part? Which equation? First or second? First equation or second equation? Yes, if okay guys, if you never study the chapter, of course you guys won't know anything lah. Common sense, am I right? Now I'm discussing question, I assume you guys know everything about the chapter. Understand or not? Saya dah anggap kamu tahu 100% tentang bab ni. Sebab yang ni adalah perbincangan soalan dah. Okay, so kamu kena tahu. Alright, every single basic you guys must know already by now. Alright. Okay, second equation. Okay, which part you don't understand in the second equation? Can you tell me? First line, second line, third line, or fourth line? Simple. Second. Okay, second is you just convert the x score to z score. This is the formula. Z equal to x minus mean over standard deviation. Understand? Spring star. So your x here is 30. Okay, so yeah, just table only, correct? From here to here is table. Second line to third line, you must read table. Baca jadual. 0.12 probability, score Z, 1.175. Yes, this is the formula, guys. If you want to convert X score to Z score, ini rumus dia. Yes, comparison, correct. That's the concept. Okay, if the shaded region is at left side smaller than 0.5, so need to put negative after finding the Z from the table, right? Left side smaller than 0.5, need to put negative. Okay, let me see. Wait. Okay, over here, right, for this question, right, your shaded region is actually to the right. Chan Wei Lun is to the right. Okay, so if it's to the right, you no need to put negative one. It's positive. Okay, but if it's to the left, then yes, because Z score is negative if it's to the left. Okay, how to solve binomial, but I don't know how to refer binomial. Binomial table. Guys, there is no such thing as binomial table. There is only normal table. Understand? Binomial, you got no table one, you know. Only normal distribution, you have table. Okay? Don't confuse between binomial and normal. How many formulas are there exactly? For this chapter, is it? Razik? If less than symbol negative, yes, correct. If less symbol negative. You mean less is over here, is it? Less means this symbol. Is that your question? Yes, if like that, then negative, correct. Okay. Binomial NBQ. The formula you guys must go through by yourself. Now I won't discuss, okay? Because now we are discussing all chapters one shot. Okay? Yeah, can. The full answer is very small, guys. So I need to show part by part. Okay? Yes, it's free, correct. So this is the answer, guys. This is the first part of the answer. You can take picture if you guys want. Boleh ambil gambar. Okay. So that easier lah for you guys can refer. Tell me when done, guys. Bila habis ambil gambar beritahu. Why is free? To share knowledge with you guys lah. What else? You actually have to pay as wow, don't lie lah, Mazik. You scare all the people then. Give back to society. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, okay. So guys, this is the next part. You guys can take picture. Done? Already taken picture? Done, Okay, so next part. This is the next part. Final one. Got actually 3 parts, so it's quite a long question. Less than 25 is, wait, I need to check again. Okay, I scroll up, guys. Less than 25. Less than 25, yeah, normal weight, correct. So 44% is the normal weight and underweight, and then 12% is the obese. Okay, that's the concept. Okay, guys, continue. Next question. Okay, so next one, question number 7, soalan ke-7. Okay, this question, guys, this question got a lot of debate in SPM actually last year. Ada banyak orang tanya macam mana buat, because this question actually is, if I use 18.5, cannot, wrong. 44% is for the total, guys. 44% tadi jumlah from 0 until 25. Okay, remember, okay. If later I encounter, yes, can. If you have problem, you just send in the group. Okay. Alright, so this question, guys, very special. You know why? Sangat istimewa soalan ni sebab dia 10 markah. Okay, it's a 10 marks question and it's in section A. Only one question, guys. Satu soalan, tapi 10 markah. Section A. Okay, so this is the first time come out like this in SPM. Okay, pertama kali. Okay, so this is a progression actually from 4 chapter 5. Okay, 10 marks. Actually, yeah. Okay, permutation usually paper 2 it doesn't come out. Okay, jarang. Okay, so you guys need to analyze the information. Total distance from, okay, wait. Before that. Okay, so you guys must imagine the situation first. Okay, this is the situation. They say the marble is released at point A. Dia lepaskan guli kat sini. Dia akan ulang alik lah, guys. Okay, it will go like this. It will go back like this. This is the concept. Okay, just go up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, macam tu. Alright, why? Physics concept. You guys got do this experiment, right? Physics. It go up, it go down, and then it will continue. It will decrease, right, guys? Okay, jumlah jarak dia akan berkurangkan sebab dia hilang tenaga, kinetic. Okay, it go back, then maybe it go less, and then it go less and less. Dia akan kurang lah. Okay, it'll just go less and less. Okay. So yeah, basically they are describing all of this lah guys. Okay, dia huraikan semua benda kat sini. Okay. So the important point is here, the distance traveled by the marble from A to C, C to D, and subsequent distance are same ratio. Okay, nisbah dia sama. Okay, nisbah sama. A ke C, C ke D, dan jarak seterusnya sama nisbah dia. Okay, so basically AC, CD, and the other distance are all the same ratio lah. So dia ada nisbah yang sama. Okay. Alright. So the first information, total distance, jumlah jarak A ke C is 629 over 4 cm. Okay. And also C to D. A ke C and C ke D, 629 over 4 cm. Okay. And then distance from D to E, jarak dia 4913 over 80. Okay, so you guys can label lah. Okay, if you guys feel like very confusing, you label. Okay, D to E is 4913 over 80 cm. 4913 over 80. And then you label A ke C, C ke D. A ke C, and C ke D. Okay, so C ke D kita tahu kan 4913 over 80. So, macam mana cari A ke C? A ke C 629 over 4. Kamu kena tolak 4913 over 80 lah. Okay, if you guys want to find A to C only, you must minus. Okay, so A to C, the distance will be 629 over 4 minus 4913 over 80. Tolak. Okay, so you guys can press calculator. You will get the answer. Cuba tekan. Okay, so you will get 629 over 4 minus 4913 over 80. Okay, so the answer is 7667 over 80. Okay, this is the answer, guys. Jawapan dia 7667 over 80. For AP, is there a formula finding last term? Yeah, got. Last term is Sn equal to n over 2a plus L. Ingat tak guys rumus ni? This one is last term. Sebutan terakhir. Or Tn lah. You can imagine is Tn. Okay? Sn equal n over 2a plus L. Arithmetic, jangan arithmetic. Alright? Okay, so you guys can see the information. So actually this is a geometric progression, guys. Seluruh soalan ni adalah janjang geometry. Okay, why geometric progression? Because the question talk about ratio. Okay, ratio is the keyword, guys. Kalau soalan cakap nisbah, maksudnya geometry lah. Okay, janjang geometry. Alright. Okay, so the information total 629 over 4. So T1 plus T2 equal to 629 over 4. Okay, this is the first term, this is the second term. Okay, 629 over 4. And then T1 is A, T2 is AR power n minus 1, Tn formula for geometric. Okay, so this is your first equation. Okay, persamaan pertama. Alright, and then your third term, sebutan ketiga, is actually 4913 over 80. Okay, because D ke E. Okay, so the order is A ke C, C ke D, and D ke E. Alright, so AC and CD is first and second term. Okay, you guys can see here. This is the assumption, guys. Anggapan dia. A ke C first term, C ke D second term, D ke E third term. Because they all say they have the same ratio. Okay, nisbah dia sama. Okay, distance travel in the same ratio. Okay, boleh nampak. Okay, jarak dia sama. Alright. Okay, so that's why this is your second equation, and then you guys can solve simultaneous, right? Persamaan serentak. Okay, you guys do simultaneous. Take second equation, divide first equation. Okay, 2 bagi 1, and then kamu selesaikan, you guys will get quadratic. Algebra sajalah. Okay, all of this is algebra. So your common ratio, nisbah sepunya, is 17 over 20. Okay, negative common ratio boleh tak guys? Is it possible? Negative common ratio, nisbah sepunya yang negative. Now we are talking distance, guys. Jarak. So you guys kena fikir lah. Semua yang ni berkaitan jarak, distance. So negative common ratio, impossible. So kamu reject lah yang ni. So this is your answer. Okay, R equals 17 over 20. Ganti balik, cari nilai A. Okay, so you substitute back. Your A is 85. Kamu boleh gantilah kat mana-mana. You can substitute in second equation or you can substitute in first equation also can. Okay, 2 atau 1. Alright. So now, okay, now the big question is, you guys must see. The question is is the average speed 10 cm per second or not? Adakah laju purata dia 10 cm per second? Okay, so guys, average speed, what is the formula guys for average speed? You all learn in maths, right? Apa rumus dia? Laju purata. Kalau kamu masih ingat. No, laju guys. Soalan tanya laju sekarang. Yes, actually the keyword is total guys. You must say total distance over total time. Correct? Jumlah jarak bahagi jumlah masa sama dengan laju purata. Setuju tak? Okay, jumlah. Keyword dia jumlah. Total. Total. Okay, so total time kita ada kan info dia 1 minit. But now question ask second. So kamu kena tukar lah 1 minute berapa second guys? 1 minit berapa saat? 60 right? Okay, so bagi 60 lah. Okay, now total distance, jumlah jarak. Okay, so total distance, okay, so you guys kena bayangkan sekarang. Jumlah jarak dia macam mana? Okay, so guys, how do you find total distance? Kamu tahu tak? Now your marble is going up, down, up, down, up, down. So dia berulang banyak kali kan? It's going many times, right? Up and down. Okay, so now I ask you all a question. Sn or S infinity? Total distance. Kamu fikir. Because now it's geometric, you know. Janjang geometry. Sn or S infinity? Kamu fikir. Some people, lagi orang? Do you use Sn or S infinity? Total distance. Okay, so the answer is actually S infinity. Okay, jawapan dia S infinity. Okay, why guys? Because as I said, the marble can keep moving, right? Kamu boleh bayangkan lah, kamu lepas guli, dia akan terus gerak kan? Ya, dia akan gerak sampai lama-lama kan? So kita tak tahu sampai bila. You don't know until when. So that's why kamu kena guna infinity. And maksudnya kamu boleh kira sampai bila. Tapi sekarang kita tak boleh. Okay, so Sn tak boleh. You guys must use S infinity. Okay, so S infinity formula guys, A over 1 minus R. So nilai A apa? Okay, you guys must see what is the A value. A is T1 lah guys. Okay, so T1 sama dengan A, kamu sudah cari. Nilai A is 85, right? So you guys can substitute 85 R. R also you guys cari dah kan? Okay, your R is 17 over 20. Gantikan. You guys can count lah. Cuba kira nilai ni. Okay, so your value is actually 85 over 3 over 20. Yeah, so you should get 1700 over 3. So this is your distance guys, jarak 1700 over 3. So you guys gantikan ke atas 1700 over 3. Press calculator guys, you can get the answer. So your answer is 9.44 meter per second. So you sudah dapat lah. You guys already get. So guys, can it exceed 10 cm per second or not? Adakah dia boleh capai nilai ni? Nilai yang saya dapat 9.44. So confirm tak boleh lah. Cannot. Dan this is how you answer the question guys. Ini cara kamu jawab soalan ni. So 10 marks, I feel like okay lah, 10 markah untuk soalan ni actually quite good Dia bagus sangat bagi banyak markah. Actually it's not so difficult. Tak sangat susah. Okay, it just want to scare you guys only. Dia nak takutkan kamu saja. But actually the concept is very simple one. Concept dia simultaneous progression S infinity and average speed. That's all. Okay. Yeah, this part you guys must know lah, the S infinity. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, understand Semua faham? So finish section A sudah habis. Okay, so next one, section B. Okay, wait which question now? What question? Okay, S infinity very simple. Any situation where you cannot count how many times it happens. Like you drop a ball. Can you imagine you drop a football? Kamu lepaskan bola sepak dari atas. Kamu nak cari bilangan kali dia melantun. You want to count how many times it bounce? Many times, right? Banyak kali kan? Because it will still keep on bouncing at the end. Dia masih akan dia akan pergi atas bawah lah. Okay, maybe football is too big to say. Maybe I say okay, marble. Guli. Guli is the best example actually. Guli, because guli is small, right? So you'll keep on bouncing. Dia akan melompat sangat ketinggian yang sangat kecil juga. Even though small height, it will still continue to bounce because it's very small. If the toilet paper use SN, right? Toilet paper, you need to see the question, Chan Wei Lun. It depends how the question say. You cannot just say like this situation is what. You must see how the question asks. Understand? Kamu kena lihat cara soalan tanya. It's not straightforward like that. Where do you get this? This one is SPM 2024, guys. Actual paper for addmaths. Understand? This one is the real SPM paper. Okay, so section B, guys. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I will discuss 3 questions with you guys. 3 soalan saja sebab kamu kena buat 3 saja. Okay, so you guys help to choose for me. Do you want me to discuss trigo, linear law, and then this one is integration, pengamilan. Number 10 is integration, and then the last one is coordinate geometry. Okay, so kamu nak bincang 3 yang mana? I follow majority, guys. Saya ikut majority. So you guys tell me. Which one? Okay, which one you guys don't want? You tell me. Mana yang kamu tak mau saya bincang? I follow majority. Linear, majority linear. Okay, don't want linear law lah, guys. Okay, semua tak mau linear law. Okay. Okay, so we discuss the rest lah. Okay, so question 8. Okay, so question 8 is trigo, guys. So for trigo, you guys must know how to prove lah. Okay, kamu kena buktikan. Okay, so the question is prove cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So basically this proof very easy, sangat senang. Okay, so cos 2 theta is cos theta plus theta. So cos theta plus theta ada rumus kan guys? Do you all still remember? There is a formula for this. Is cos theta minus sin theta, right? This formula actually is an identity trigo. Okay, so actually you have cos square theta minus sin square theta. So kamu sudah buktikan lah. Already proven. Okay, cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Alright, guna rumus saja. Alright, okay, then you guys must solve the equation. Selesaikan persamaan. 3 cos square theta equal to 2 plus 3 sin square theta. Okay, so formula. Okay, kamu boleh guna rumus. Okay, so basically 3 cos square theta minus 3 sin square theta is equal to 2, right guys? And then cos square theta minus sin square theta kamu sudah buktikan tadi. Okay, is equal to cos 2 theta, right? So you guys boleh gantikan cos 2 theta equal to 2. So now very simple lah guys. Senang dah. Cos 2 theta equal to 2 over 3. Okay, 2 over 3, and then you guys boleh cari 2 theta. Cos inverse 2 over 3. Okay, cos inverse 2 over 3, nilai dia 48.19. Okay, so now guys, you must see your range, apa julat kamu. Your range is 180 to 360. So jawapan kamu kena antara 180 sampai 360 saja. Okay, so if theta is between 180 and 360, so kalau 2 theta, maksudnya kena kali 2 lah guys. Kamu punya julat. Okay, you must times 2. So it's 360 until 720. Okay, so cos positif, kuadran 1 dan 4 saja kan, sukuan 1 dan 4 if cos positif. Alright, so cos positif maksudnya 48.19, kuadran 1, kuadran 4, 360, tolak 48.19. Okay, because 48.19 kat sini. So sudut dia macam ni lah guys. Okay, you guys need to count the angle like this. Okay, so 360 minus 48.19. Okay, and then kamu kena kira lagi 360 plus 48.19. This one is second cycle lah guys. Kitaran kedua 360 plus sudut rujukan 48.19. Okay, and then the final one 360 plus for the fourth quadrant again. This angle is 311.81. So this one is actually 360 plus 360 minus 48.19 yang terakhir. So dua kita lengkap lah guys. Okay, 2 complete cycle. Alright, faham guys? Do you get the concept? So actually you have 4 angles, 4 jawapan, And then these all are for 2 theta, your angle. Okay, so if you guys want to find theta, kamu kena bagi 2 lah, divide 2. Okay, so this is your answer. And then your answer, just choose the one between 180 and 360 only. Okay, pilih jawapan antara 180 sampai 360 saja. Okay, range very important guys. Your answer must follow the range. This one, 180 to 360 is your range for theta. Okay, so you must follow the range. Kena ikut julat. Alright, can guys? Boleh faham? Understand? Can Okay, so continue. Next one. Okay, so now they want you to sketch the graph, guys. Kamu kena lukis graph ni. Y equal to negative cos square theta minus sin square theta plus 4 over 5. Okay, so cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta, right? Kamu sudah buktikan tadi. So plus 4 over 5. Okay, so you guys just need to draw this graph. Okay, so 0 until 2 pi. So apa yang kamu boleh buat? Gantikan nilai sajalah. Okay, you just need to substitute your value of theta, guys, inside here. So you can substitute 0, pi, 2 pi. Kamu boleh ganti semua nilai, tekan calculator, cari nilai y. Okay, so what you guys need to do is just plot all the coordinate. Kamu kena plot seberapa banyak coordinate mungkin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can plot 9 coordinates here, guys. 9. Okay, berdasarkan julat kamu. Okay, so you guys can see the shape lah. Boleh nampak bentuk dia. Okay, the shape is like cos graph. Okay, you just follow the cos graph shape. Okay, understand guys how to draw the graph? Boleh? You guys just need to plot all these point only. Tips on smooth graph practice. No tips one. Must practice many times. Lengkung ni kamu kena buat banyak kali, guys, baru boleh dapat licin. Okay, you just need to practice many times. Okay, no other technique. Alright. Okay, so next one, they say there are 8 solution when y equal to h. Ada 8 penyelesaian. Okay, so maksudnya kamu kena lihat graf kamu lah. 8 penyelesaian maksudnya 8 titik persilangan lah. Okay, so how can you have 8 point of intersection, guys? Okay, so basically the range, if based on your graph, is negative 1.5 until 1 over 5 until 4 over 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait 8 solution. 8 penyelesaian. Y equal to H. Oh, okay, okay. Understand. Okay, it must be in between, guys. Dia kena di antara. So maksudnya semua kat sini lah. Kamu boleh kira. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kena 8. Okay, maksudnya di antara titik maksimum dan titik minimum. The values must be in between your maximum point and minimum point for your graph. Okay, so macam mana dapat? Kamu sudah plotkan nilai ni. Where does H come from? Just random. Y equal to H is a horizontal line, guys. It can be any value. H tu boleh jadi apa-apa nilai di antara negative 1/5 dan 4/5. Any value in between for H. Okay? So you just draw all these lines, you will see that you got 8 solution one. Ada 8 penyelesaian. Okay? So it's the maximum, this I mean the minimum and maximum value for your graph. Okay? Clear guys? Jelas konsep dia? Can Okay, so continue Okay, so linear law you guys don't want, right? Tak mau. Okay, so question 10. Okay, so question 10 is integration, pengambilan. Okay, so the question is find the value of P. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai P. So y equal to px cube is your equation. And then you must find, wait, px cube or px square? Sada guys, tak jelas sangat. Px cube, correct. Okay, so they ask you, the tangent to the curve at point A intersect the y-axis at B. Okay, tangent dia silang paksi y lah. B is 0, negative 4. Okay, sudah diberi 0, negative 4. Okay, and then kamu kena cari nilai P. Okay, find the value of P. So basically you can differentiate, guys. Bezakan 3px square. Okay, so nilai P. Okay, nilai X. Okay, nilai X kat sini berapa, guys? What is your X value? Anyone? You substitute what value over here for x? Yeah, x equal 1 lah. So 1 square. So sama dengan 3p. Okay, so dy dx, the gradient for this line is actually 3p. Okay, kecerunan dia 3p. Okay, so you already find that. Okay, so now you can find the gradient. Okay, cuba cari kecerunan garis ni. So you guys got 2 point, right? You can find the gradient. Okay, so gradient is p plus 4 over 1 minus 0 equal to 3p. So kamu kena selesaikan lah. So equal 3p, negative 2p equal to negative 4. So p is equal to 2. Okay guys, dapat? Macam mana saya cari nilai p? You guys just compare the gradient. Bandingkan kecerunan saja. Okay, so p sama dengan 2. Alright. So far boleh guys? Can? No problem Can. Okay, continue. Find the area of shaded region, luas kawasan berlorek. Okay, so again, shaded region, you guys can split into 2 parts. This is the first part. This is the second part. You guys just need to plus. Okay, tambah dua-dua. Okay, so first part actually is a triangle, segitiga. Okay, so you guys just boleh guna setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Half times base times height. Okay, so over here, you guys must find lah your value. Okay, this one is negative 4. And then x-intercept. Okay, kamu kena cari pintasan x garis ni. Okay, so gradient is p equal to, so gradient is 6, right? 6. Okay, so your gradient is 6. Y-intercept negative 4. So y equal to 6x minus 4. This is the equation of the line, guys. Persamaan garisan kamu. Alright. And then, so your gradient is 6, right? Nilai M 6 kan? M equal to 6. Okay, so, sorry, must find x-intercept. Kamu kena cari pintasan x. Okay, so 0 equal to 6x minus 4. So x is equal to 2 over 3. Okay, so nilai ni 2/3 lah pintasan x. Okay, so maksudnya luas segitiga half 2 over 3 and 4. Okay, negatif tak payah masuk lah guys sebab kita nak cari luas. Okay, so you just take 4. So the answer is 4 over 3 unit square for the first part. Okay, second part, you guys must do integration, pengambilan. Okay, p value is 6, right? 6 kan? Sorry, 2. Nilai p 2. Okay, this 1, 2. Okay, so how to find this area? You guys can use the concept like this. You take the area under curve, luas bawah lengkung, tolak luas segitiga. Okay, area under curve minus area of red color triangle. So this one is 2. This one, yang ni 1 and 2 over 3. You guys must minus lah. Okay, kena tolak untuk cari panjang. So 1 minus 2 over 3 is 1 over 3. Okay, so area of triangle, half 1 over 3, 2. So nilai dia 1/3 untuk luas segitiga. And then luas bawah lengkung, area under curve, must do integration. Pengambilan 0 sampai 1, px cube. Okay, so 2x cube dx. Kamu cari nilai ni lah guys. Okay, you must find the integration. And then kamu ambil nilai ni, tolak dengan yang ni. Okay, take the integration minus 1 over 3 and then plus 4 over 3. Then kamu akan dapat jawapan dia, total. 0 to 2 over 3. Bukan, sebab saya nak cari luas seluruh yang ni. Faham tak? Pengambilan dia, cuba nampak. Yang ni, yang ni, yang ni. Total. Total tolak yang merah. Kamu dapat yang berlorek. Faham tak? Okay guys. Can see the concept? Okay, so this is the working jalan kira dia. Alright. So, like this. Okay. Macam saya terangkan tadi, you find x-intercept. Pintasan x 2 over 3. Y equals 6x minus 4. Okay, so this is the concept. Sama lah. Okay, you guys will get the shaded region 3 over 2 unit square. Ini jawapan dia. Okay guys, can all of you? Semua dapat konsep dia? Yes, nak tolak kat sini. Ini first step. This one is the second step. Okay? Can guys? Semua faham sampai sekarang? All of you can? Can I have some feedback, response sikit? Boleh tak? So far, all of you? Can Boleh Alright. I need you guys to give feedback so that I know whether you guys okay or not. All right, so next one, you guys must find volume isi padu, region bounded by curve and straight line x equal to 1. Okay, so curve and x equal to 1. Okay, so I rub this. X equal to 1 maksudnya yang ni. Okay, curve and x equal 1. So curve and x equal 1. So ini kawasan dia lah guys, x axis. Okay, kamu kena putarkan yang ni pada paksi x. So rumuslah guys. Which one? Part C ya. Oh, x equal 1 is a straight line. X equal 1 guys, basic. When you guys got equation x equal 1 is a straight vertical line. Garis lurus yang menegak. Faham tak? You guys learn this in maths, right? X equal 1. Y equal 5 is horizontal. X equal 1 is vertical. Okay? So this is the region. Okay, so you guys use the formula lah. Pi integrate 0 to 1 y square dx. Ini rumus dia. Okay, so you guys just need to integrate. Kamikan saja. And then the question say 90 degree, you know guys. So you must be careful. 90 darjah maksudnya apa? If 90 degrees, you guys must actually modify. You must bahagi 4. Remember? Yes. Not so understand what question C. Question C want to find volume. Chan Wei Lun. Isi padu. So do you remember the formula for volume? Integration, isi padu. This is the formula, right? This one you study in integration. So you just using this formula lah. Kamu guna rumus ni saja. Exactly the same. Okay. So just need to divide 4 because the question say 90 degree. Okay. 90 okay. 360 degree. This is the formula, right? All of you. Rumus untuk 360 darjah macam ni kan. Okay. So kalau 90 darjah, apa perubahan dia? Bagi 4 kan? The change is divide 4, right? 360 divide 4, you get, so this one also must divide 4 lah, guys. So pi over 4. Understand? Or 1 over 4 pi. So this is how you get 1 over 4 pi. Faham? Ratio only. Concept dia nisbah. Okay? And then this is your equation, guys. Y equation, 2x cubed. And then normal integration. Pengambilan biasa saja. Okay? And then your answer is 1 over 7 pi unit cube. Okay, I think integration, you all can integrate this, right? Sangat senang kan persamaan dia untuk kami. Very basic. Okay, power plus 1 divide new power. Okay, tambah kuasa 1 bagi kuasa baru. Itu saja. Okay, why sir no? Question say 90 degree lah. Chan Wei Lun, do you see the question carefully or not? There, 90 degrees. Make sure you see the angle carefully, guys, in the question. It's not I assume one. Soalan akan bagi tahu. Okay, kalau 90 darjah. Okay, yes. Okay, can So all clear? Soalan ni semua boleh. Number 10, all good. Proceed If not specify, yes. If not specify, usually it's 360. But even 360, they will tell you guys. Kalau 360 darjah, soalan akan bagi tahu. Jangan risau. Okay, confirm question will tell. Okay, so gradient of PQ, QR, PR. Okay, so dia bagi kecerunan. PQ is negative 3m. Okay, this one negative 3m. QR, Wow. QR is m. Okay, QR is m. And then PR is 3m. Okay, so these are all the gradients guys, kecerunan. Nak habis dah. 2 soalan lagi, habis dah. Kertas ni. Okay, show that m equal half. Okay, so you guys must show that m equal half. So very simple, guys. Just find the gradient for PQ. Cari kecerunan dia. 1 minus 4 over 1 plus 1. So negative 3m. Why the tablet like this one? Wow, so sensitive. Okay, negative 3m equal to negative 3 over 2. So m is equal to half. Sudah buktikan lah. Okay, m equal to half. Alright, done. Soalan A. Alright. Okay, find the coordinate of R. Cari coordinate R. Okay, so R. Okay, so now you guys know it's half, right? Setengah. So this one is negative 3 over 2. This one is 3 over 2. And this one is half. Kecerunan. Okay, so you guys can form equation, right? For your straight line. Kamu boleh bentuk persamaan dia. Y minus Y1 equal to M X minus X1. So you guys just form the equation, bentuk persamaan dia. So half x plus half plus 4. Half plus 4, 9 over 2. Okay, 9 per 2. Okay, this is your first equation, guys. Persamaan pertama. And then, persamaan kedua, you guys kena bentukkan untuk yang ni. Y minus Y1 equal to mx minus x1. And then kembangkan, expand 3 over 2x minus 3 over 2 plus 1. So you guys will get minus half. Correct? Yeah, minus half. Okay, so then what to do, guys? You guys want to find R, right? Kamu nak cari coordinate R. So R is the intersection point, titik persilangan. So kamu kena buat serentak lah, simultaneous equation. Just find your X, find your Y. That is the answer. Okay, cari nilai X dan Y saja. Alright, so yeah. So you guys can see the answer. Yeah, so this is the equation. Hey lah guys, this one not so clear. Hold on, I must bring it up. Okay, so like this. Okay, so 1 equal to 2, 1 sama dengan 2. Okay, so you guys will get X equal to 5 and Y equal 7. So that's why coordinate R is 5, 7. Faham? So just simultaneous only lah guys. Okay, persamaan serentak. Alright, any problem guys so far? Ada apa-apa masalah? All can? Boleh? Can for this one? Can. Okay, continue. Okay, so now the question want you to find the area of PQR. Kamu kena cari luas segitiga PQR. Wait, Okay, so if area means you guys just need to use the formula lah. Okay, guna rumus saja for PQR. Okay, the formula is half modulus 11 negative 14. R is 75 and 11. So kamu kena cari nilai ni sajalah. Okay, just solve the modulus. Okay, kamu kena selesaikan. Okay, so this is the method. Okay, top times bottom, atas kali bawah, tolak, bawah kali atas, minus bottom times top. Okay, so this one is the shoelace method. Kaedah ikat tali kasut. Okay, this one you guys know how to do, right? Senang kan? I think you guys know, right? Just press calculator only. Okay, if ada coordinate 0, 0, you recommend me to put in front. You can put anywhere, guys. Kedudukan coordinate tu boleh letak random, tak ada masalah. Asalkan kamu mula dan akhir dengan titik yang sama. Ini yang penting. You must start and end with the same coordinate. What happens in the middle, we don't care. You can put anywhere you like. You can say negative 1, 4, 5, 7, 1, 1. And then you must put negative 1, 4. This one also can. Macam ni pun boleh. Tak ada masalah. No matter how you arrange, right guys, your answer is still the same. Kamu boleh cuba. Walaupun kamu susun berlainan, jawapan dia masih 12 unit kuasa 2. Okay? Answer same guys. Don't worry one. Confirm the same. Okay? No matter how you arrange. Okay, so next one. Equation of locus. Okay, so they say point U moves. Okay, so point U is a moving point guys. Titik U ni titik bergerak. So biasanya titik bergerak kita bagi simbol dia XY. Coordinate. Okay, the coordinate of moving point is XY. And then they say the distance from R is 5 over 2. It's distance from Q. So UR equal to 5 over 2 UQ. Betul? Sebab dia kata jarak dari titik R 5 per 2 kali jarak dari titik Q. So ini persamaan dia lah. Okay, so coordinate R, coordinate Q. You guys ada kan? R is 75 and Q is negative 14. So apply rumus saja. Okay, you guys must use the distance formula, rumus jarak. Masih ingat guys rumus ni? Do you all still remember your distance formula? This is the distance formula, rumus jarak. Okay, so kamu kena guna yang ni untuk UR and also UQ. Okay, so just gantikan saja. Substitute your coordinate. So macam ni lah. Okay, this is how you do it. Alright. So it looks complex, but don't worry guys. Just expand slowly only. Kembangkan hati-hati. All of this is quadratic saja. Okay, and then you square both sides. Kuasa dua-dua belah untuk hilangkan punca kuasa 2. Okay, square both sides. You get rid of the square root. And then you guys just rearrange. Okay, susun untuk dapat macam ni. Okay guys, can algebra part, I assume you guys can do because algebra part, nothing much for me to explain lah. Okay, algebra kamu kena buat hati-hati saja, itu saja. Okay, tak ada konsep kat situ. Alright, can guys, all of you, this one? No need to do cross multiply. Can, if you want to cross multiply, can also. Over here, right? You can cross multiply the 4 to the left and then 25 to the right. Can also. No problem. You just times by 4 lah guys. The whole equation kali 4. Faham tak? So that boleh hilangkan pecahan ni. Okay? So that's why they get this one. Alright? Can lah guys? Boleh? So far, this question. Man, from beginning, I direct do cross multiply. Can? Yes, can, no problem. So you get like this, right? 2 third, you do something like this, right? Chan Wei Lun. Plus y minus 7 square equal to 5 third, something like this, right? If you do like this, also can, no problem. Your equation like this pun boleh, guys. Tak ada masalah. Okay, boleh cross multiply ke awal. Alright. How to hilangkan punca kuasa 2? Adam, kamu kena kuasa 2, dua-dua belah persamaan. Square both side. So, kamu kuasa 2 kat kiri dan kanan. Okay? Just power 2, both side. Okay? Can, So, continue, guys. Section C, bahagian C. Alright. So, section C, guys, you guys just need to choose 2 questions for me. 2 soalan saja. Okay. So, you guys tell me, SOT, and then SOT, and then wow, this question very long. SOT, linear programming, and then kinematic or index. Kamu bagi tahu saya 2. Tell me what you guys want. I follow majority. Okay, index 1, satu lagi. One more. Index and the 3D. Index and SOT, Okay, majority SOT index, kinematic. I follow majority. Some more people. What you guys want? Comment 2 topik yang kamu nak. You guys type 2 topics you all want. SOT, kinematic, linear programming, or index. Saya akan bincang 2 saja sebab kamu kena jawab 2. You guys tell the topic that you guys will do in the exam. Majority index. Index is confirmed already. So now one more. Index sudah confirm. Satu lagi sekarang. Antara 3 yang lain. Index sudah confirm. So satu lagi, SOT, kinematic, or linear. You guys tell me. SOT, kinematic, or linear? Linear. So far, majority, 2 sekarang. Sama-sama. Lagi orang? Oh, majority linear. I think majority is linear already. 3 sekarang. SOT, linear, 3. Anyone else? Majority? I need some more. Majority now SOT. Solution of triangle. Okay lah, SOT lah guys. Okay, we discuss SOT. No, I do SOT and index. Alright. SOT index lah guys, boleh? SOT index lah. Linear programming senang saja lah guys. Okay, it's very basic one. Okay, so I buat yang susah lah. I follow majority guys. So majority say SOT, so I choose SOT lah. Alright. Okay, so SOT guys, they ask you to derive the cosine rule. Kamu kena terbitkan petua cosinus. Okay, this is a hard question because you guys must derive. Okay, so how to derive cosine rule? Macam mana kamu terbitkan? Okay, so the concept is you guys must do like this. Okay, so you guys need to divide to 2 triangles, bagikan dia. That's why I won't choose this question if I were you lah guys. Saya takkan buat yang ni dalam exam. Faham tak? Because it looks so complex. Correct? But never mind lah, we discuss the complex question. Okay, so F, M, H, ini semua sudah diberi. Okay, so you guys can make assumption. Anggap yang ni X. Anggap yang ni M tolak X. Okay, just assume only ya guys. Anggap saja. Okay, so this one also anggap is T. Just assume. Okay, so you guys can use Pythagoras theorem over here. Okay, Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. Okay, kamu guna theorem Pythagoras. Alright. F square equal to M minus X square plus T square. So you guys got one equation, satu persamaan, and then got another Pythagoras theorem kat sini. A square equal to X square plus T square. Okay, so you got 2 equation, and then you got also another equation, cos F. Okay, cos F is actually adjacent, bersebelahan, X over hypotenuse, H. Okay, so cos F is X over H. X is H cos F. Okay, so kamu boleh gantikan lah sekarang guys. Okay, you can substitute number 2 and number 3 inside 1. Kamu gantikan. Okay, so f square is t square plus x square plus m square minus 2mx. Kamu gantikan dalam persamaan ni. Okay, substitute the x equal to h cos f. Kamu gantikan saja. Okay, and then you simplify, you will get this answer. Okay, this is the answer for cosine rule. So correct lah guys, yang ni petua cosinus kan? This one is cosine rule. So you guys already proven, sudah terbukti. Okay? Can lah guys, do you understand how to prove it? That's why I say guys, if you see this kind of question, logically, you guys will do or not in the exam. Kamu akan buat ke dalam peperiksaan kalau lihat soalan macam ni. Kalau kamu diberi peluang untuk pilih, you guys will choose this question or not. You see 3D, you guys see proving. Confirm if I am answering, I won't choose this question. Am I right? Saya takkan pilih sebab risiko untuk hilang markah tinggi. Faham tak? Confirm SOT bahagian C guys. Faham tak? SOT sudah wajib bahagian C. Tak boleh keluar bahagian lain. SOT cannot come out in section A or section B. So confirm is section C1. So you guys got choice. Ada peluang untuk pilih. So kalau susah, tak pilih. Okay, if it's difficult, no need to choose. If simple, you guys choose lah. Okay. Be smart a bit guys. You guys kena pandai sikit. Kalau kamu nampak soalan tu risiko hilang markah tinggi, jangan buatlah. Kalau risiko hilang markah tu rendah, buatlah. Okay, because you guys nak maksimumkan markah. Am I right? So why kamu nak cabar diri untuk buat soalan susah, tiba-tiba buat silap, macam mana? How? So that's why use logic guys. Okay. Alright. So now second part. Okay, M is the midpoint of AB. Okay, so M is the midpoint of AB. Okay, so maksudnya dua ni sama. Alright. Okay, so 12 cm maksudnya 6 lah. Okay, this one is 12 cm. Okay, so this one also 12. So you guys boleh label lah. Okay, this one also 9. Actually, you guys boleh label semua info yang ada. This one 5. Just label only. This one also 9. So that's all lah. Itu saja yang kamu ada. Okay, this one also 5. Alright. This one also 5. And then this one 12. So I label everything I have. This one total 12. Okay. Cube blushing. Where got blushing? Okay. They ask you to find MFH. Kamu kena cari sudut MFH. Okay. MFH is this one. Kamu kena cari kat sini. Okay. So guys, what you can do over here, you guys can see right angle, right? Segitiga sudut tegak kan? So Pythagoras theorem lah guys. You guys can use Pythagoras theorem. Alright, you can find the MF length. Boleh cari MF daripada theorem. And then apa lagi? You guys can find MH. Let me see. MH. Okay. FH, you can use Pythagoras. 12 square plus 9 square. Okay, Pythagoras kat sini. Pythagoras kat sini juga. 5 square plus 6 square for this one, yang ni, and then yang ni. Okay, and then yang MH got Pythagoras MH. Derive the cosine rule for MH. Okay, M is the midpoint 6. Wait guys, I must see how to do. Don't discuss other things lah guys. Make sure focus on the question. Kamu kena lihat soalan macam mana buat. MH. Wait guys. Because there is no right angle triangle here. Tak ada sudut pun. Okay, wait let me see how the question do. Saya pun kena lihat. Oh, okay. Okay, so dia sudah dapat. Alright, so you guys must modify the diagram lagi. Okay, you guys need to modify. Because you don't see a right angle, you guys must create a right angle triangle. So over here, okay, you guys can create a right angle triangle because this one is right angle. Okay, this one is the 5 cm. And then this one, you guys can see right angle also here, right? Segitiga sudut tegak. Yeah, you guys must imagine lah. This one also you can find from Pythagoras. Okay, this one is square root 9 square plus 6 square. Correct? 9 square plus 6 square. And then for the black one, yang hitam punya, yang ni is square root of this one berapa? Kamu kena carilah. Plus 36, 117. Okay, cert 117. Okay, so cert 117 square plus 5 square. Okay, so ini panjang dia. So guys, you got all the three lengths tadi. Kamu ada semua panjang. Yang ni dengan yang ni. So you guys can use cosine rule lah. Petua cosinus, cari sudut theta. You guys use cosine rule, petua cosinus boleh dapat. Okay, so Pythagoras semua. And then just do cosine rule. Okay, so you guys will get the answer. 52.08. Okay guys, boleh ya? Boleh dapat konsep dia? Can? So the concept is you guys must do Pythagoras 4 times. 4 kali. Kamu kena buat theorem Pythagoras. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kali. Okay, itu saja. And then cosine rule. Siap. Okay, 52.08. Alright. Okay, so then number 3A. Number 3A, you guys must draw triangles. Okay, MFH. Okay, kamu kena lukis segitiga baru. MFH. Okay, so this one is just isosceles triangle lah guys. Okay, so kamu lukis segitiga, sisi sama saja, isosceles. Okay, so can you see guys? Boleh nampak segitiga yang baru? Isosceles triangle, segitiga, kaki sama. Alright, so itulah M prime, F prime, H prime. So kamu lukis yang ni ya guys, yang saya lorek. Okay, M prime, H prime, and M prime. So yang ni yang kamu lukis. Okay, just draw this triangle for part 1. Okay, so this is your answer guys. Jawapan dia. Okay, this is your triangle. You can label also guys. Berdasarkan info yang kamu dapat, you guys can label. Okay, just label all the information that you found earlier from here. Okay, just label saja. And then the question want you to find the area. Kamu kena cari luas segitiga ni. Okay, so how to find the area? Half AB sin C lah guys. Okay, so half AB sin C based on this triangle. Boleh cari kan? Okay, you guys can find this angle. Cari sudut ni. Okay, you guys boleh cari yang ni. 7.18102 over sin H prime equal to 11.9164 over sin 127.92. Sin rule only lah guys. Okay, petua sinus. Alright, kamu boleh dapat sudut H. Okay, so you guys can see here H equal to 31.13, and then you guys boleh cari luas. Okay, so the area is actually half AB sin C. Okay, 20.95. Okay, 20.95 sudut yang ni. Okay, 20.95. Okay, because H is equal to 31.13, right? 31.13. Okay, so 180 minus 127.92 minus 31.13. So you get 20.95. Okay, and then half A 11.9164, B 7.1802, sin 20.95. Okay, so itu cara kamu dapat. Alright, understand guys? Do you all get the concept for this question? Jelas? Can So I think not so difficult lah. Tak sangat susah macam dia nampak. Okay, still can do one. Masih boleh buat. Okay, so 16.6386. Okay, so now come to the index guys. Soalan terakhir. Last question. Index. Yeah, the proving is the difficult one. Correct. Okay, so index very straightforward guys. Soalan terakhir. So X, Y, Z. Okay, find the value of X, Y, Z. So again, X guys, you just need to use the formula. Guna rumus 130 equal to 2.10 over X times 100. Kamu boleh cari nilai X. Okay, just use the price index formula. Okay, so you will get, try to press calculator guys. Cuba tekan calculator. Okay, so you will get, decimal lah. Sad Yeah, should be decimal, 1.62. Okay, 1.62. Okay, X equal to 1.62. Alright. Yeah, and then Y is again price index 2.40. Harga index punya rumus times 100. Okay, so you guys press calculator, you will get the answer 120. Okay, Y sudah dapat. Z. Okay, again apply rumus 150 equal to Z over 120 times 100. So you guys selesaikan untuk Z. You will get 150 over 100 times 1.2. 1.8, yes, very good. Okay, done. Itu soalan A. Alright, very simple, right? Sangat straightforward. Alright, so composite index 2023-2022, 135. Ini indeks gubahan. Find the ratio of ingredient A to ingredient D. Okay, so you guys kena guna rumus lah. Okay, this one is 120. So composite index formula guys, sum of index times weightage over sum of weightage. Okay, hasil tambah index kali pemberat bagi jumlah pemberat. Okay, so you guys just need to times all of this kali semua nilai ni bahagi dengan hasil tambah. Semua nilai ni sama dengan 135. Then you guys can find the ratio M to N. Okay, so macam ni semua algebra saja guys. Just do algebra M to N. You will get the ratio 3/2. Okay, 3/2. Okay, semua kat sini algebra saja. Okay, just be careful when you solve algebra and find the ratio. M to N is 3/2. So dia tanya A kepada B kan guys. They want the ratio of A to B. So means that is N ratio M plus N. Okay, N kepada M plus N. Okay, so you guys akan dapat jawapan. Okay, N is 2 and your M plus N is 3 plus 2. So 2 ratio 5. Okay, clear guys? Soalan B1. Are you clear with this? Can? Boleh kan? Quite straightforward, right? Okay, last one, soalan terakhir. Okay, so there's 200 biscuit, 2022 RM25, and then they say the price will increase 20.25%. Okay, so it increased 20.25%. Okay, namailah, you just keep it. 2023 to 2025. Okay, 7 marks. Okay, 7 marks for both question, dua soalan. Okay, so RM45 is allocated to produce 200 biscuit. Okay, so they want to check adakah RM45 ni cukup atau tidak. Alright, so a lot of things, right guys? Ada banyak benda soalan cakapkan, a lot of things. Okay, so they want to make 200 biscuit actually. Okay, so this one is actually composite index. Correct? Index gubahan sebab dia cakap pasal biskut. Okay, so everything you guys do here must be composite index gubahan. Okay, so you guys can see here. First step, you guys can find the price of the biscuit in 2023. Okay, because 2022 soalan bagi in 2022 is RM25, right? And then the index gubahan is 135, right? Based on the previous question, composite index 135. Okay, so you guys can use the formula, guna rumus, and then you guys can find the answer is 33.75. Okay, and then, okay, since they say the price increased 20.25%, right? Okay, harga dia meningkat 20.25%. So maksudnya index dia 120.25. Okay, so yang ni adalah 2025 based on 2023. So 2023 sudah carikan tadi 33.75. So you guys can find 2025 sekarang. Okay, so 2025 the harga is 40.58. Okay, now you guys must find the number of box bilangan kotak. Okay, so how many box we have here guys? Okay, basically they say one box is for 40 biscuit. Okay, satu kotak 40 biscuit. Okay, kamu boleh lihat kat sini. Okay, sekarang ada 200 biscuit guys. So we must have 5 box lah ratio. One box 40, so if 200, 5 box, 5 kotak. Okay, so 5 kotak kamu akan dapat. Okay, you will have 5 box and then one box is RM150. Okay, satu kotak 150. So 5 box RM750 ratio. Okay, and then the total cost you guys need is actually jumlah the box 750 plus with what? 2025 kan 2025. Okay, so plus with your amount jumlah kat sini. Sana. Plus with this one, your price in 2025. Okay, this one is for the packaging untuk package kotak. Okay, so ini adalah 750 and the actual price harga sebenar 40.58. So you guys must plus lah, tambah dua-dua. So actually it's 48 but you only have 45. Peruntukan dia 45, so tak cukup lah. Okay, your allocated money is not enough. Understand? Do you all get the concept guys? Faham? Quite straightforward, right? Boleh faham kan? Everything is just ratio, nisbah, and common sense lah, logic soalan ni. Alright? Can guys? Any problem? This one? Jelas? Can? Respond please. Jelas Okay, so basically we already done lah guys paper. So kita sudah habis bincang kertas 2. Okay, so do you guys understand everything I share with you guys today about this actual SPM paper? Boleh dapat? Is it helpful guys? Bermanfaat? apa yang saya kongsi. Hopefully this is like a revision for your trials lah. Okay, pulang kaji untuk percubaan kamu. Okay, so I really hope this class help lah because 2 hours I teach you guys. So maybe you feel it's a bit rush. Kamu rasa dia sangat cepat kan 2 jam. Walaupun 2 jam nampak lama, but to cover how many questions? 7 plus 3 plus 2, 12 question. 12 soalan dalam 2 jam. So yeah, hopefully you guys can get the concept lah. Yeah, so thank you very much guys. So anyone here first time join or not? My class, may I know? Siapa kat sini pertama kali join? Okay, so for those first time join, if you guys interested to join my future class, you can PM this number over here. Okay, kalau nak join class yang nak datang, oh thank you Chai Sin Chai. Okay, if you guys want to join the future class, you can PM this number, WhatsApp. Okay, then I will add you to my WhatsApp group. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for joining the class. Hopefully it helped you all. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you. Love you guys. Okay, good luck for trial. Okay, teruskan perjuangan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. No problem. Yes, good night. Take care. Any other questions? Oh, bye Eddie. So fast. Tired guys? Letih ke? 2 jam. Actually, this paper is 2 hours 30 minutes. So we actually finish faster lah. Okay, because paper 2 hours 30 minutes. So we finish in 2 hours like that. So actually it's good timing lah. We actually discuss everything in the perfect time because we answer 3 questions from section B and 2 from section C. So the circle is actually the air well. Do you know air well, Razik? It's like a hole, lubang untuk udara masuk dan keluar. Because this is traditional house, olden day house yang lama-lama. So yang rumah lama dia ada lubang lah untuk udara masuk dan keluar. So sekarang tak mau lah, yeah, covered already because we don't want the dust, habuk semua datang kan. Dan benda-benda dari luar nak masuk, insek, haiwan, apa-apa haiwan pun boleh masuk kan, yang kecil-kecil. So tak maulah. Okay, so that's why cover lah. But if open, then can get the fresh air lah. But still got window, ada tingkap, so masih boleh masuk lah udara semua tu. But online class week, yes, betul. Kenapa Razik kata tak? Kalau nak join, boleh PM nombor tu. Okay, saya dah kongsi tadi. Boleh PM kalau nak join. Alright. So, anything else? Okay. Thank you very much. Good night. Okay, Razik. Tak ada lagi ya. Satu orang saja sekarang, kamu. Tak ada? Okay. Good night. Bye.